Hi, welcome to my kitchen. My name's Kat. We're here at the Abbey St. Albans on George Street. Today we're going to make a beautiful courgette fritter. We're going to start out by grating our halloumi and our onion. Courgettes, we're simply going to place them in a bowl and add a little bit of salt. Now this actually softens the courgette, so when we fry them, they're already pretty much half cooked. We're going to place it in a colander. Now this lets all the water seep out. So in the meantime, what we're going to do is do all our fresh herbs. Just take the leaves off. Let's just chop the herbs. So now we're going to add our eggs. So these come from a beautiful local farm. Same place we get our guinea fowl and our chickens from. So it's important to use local produce. We're simply just going to crack them open and give it a whisk, semi-beaten. Now, we have our freshly chopped herbs, we have our onion, garlic, and halloumi. I'm gonna add them all together. Now, we're gonna use flour as a base. Now, for all the gluten-free people, it's fine, you can use a bit of extra rice flour. We use a combination of rice and plain flour. Just a few spoons of each. More than happy to use a bit of gluten-free flour, things like that, or a potato starch. Just be careful with your amounts. Give it a mix. Now it's starting to resemble a fritter batter. Our next step is to get our pre-salted courgettes and give them a bit of a push down. Once you've removed the moisture, just going to place into our fritter base. So what we're going to do is we're going to create our fritters. Now, pan fried, literally, a tablespoon into hot oil. I'm going to cook the courgette and the halloumi and make a beautiful fritter. So now we're going to simply serve them with a bit of nice lump of yogurt and some freshly juiced lemon. I like to present it just a big chunk of lemon, a few fritters, and a dollop of the yogurt.